Let's see how to add code in Hostinger website. I will show you two methods to add code to your Hostinger website, and you can go with the one that best suits your needs. So log into your Hostinger H panel. Now click on websites from the left menu. Now edit your Hostinger website. Now the first method to add code to your website is that click on this three dots button. Now click on integrations. Now here you will see a custom code option. Just click on it, add your code here, and then click on update website from the top. And this code will be injected to the head section of your website. Let's say you are adding your website to Google AdSense, and Google will ask you to add this code in the head section of your website. So when you will add your code here and then click on update website from the top, then you can verify your website in Google or any other third-party website. Also, using these integration sections, you can add Facebook Pixel, Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, Google AdSense, and add more to your website. Let's say you want to add Google Analytics. Just click on Google Analytics from here. Add your Analytics ID here and then click on update website. Now let's check out the second method that we can use to add code to our website. Now the second method is Embed HTML. So from the left menu, click on this plus icon. Now here we will see embed code option. Just drag it to your website. Now click on enter code. Now add your code here and then click on embed code. Once you are done, just click on update website. And in this way, code will be added to your Hostinger website. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.